Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the product of following, and the given number is 2,81,561. So we have to multiply this with 4,936. So let us do the multiplication. So we have to multiply this ones digit 6 with 2,81,561 first. So let us multiply one by one. So 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So 6 we write and 3 is the carry. Now 6 multiplied by 5 is 30 plus carry 3 is 33. Again 3 is carry. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6 plus carry 3 will give 9. And 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. So 8 we can write and 4 is the carry. So 6 multiplied by 2 gives 12 and 12 plus 4 is 16. So in this way we will multiply all the other digits. So let's take the tens digits 3. So let us multiply in the same manner, and after multiplying and using the same process we will get this value. Now similarly let's take the third digit 9. You can say the 100th digit is 9. So 9 multiplied by 2,81,561. Again using the same method and adding the carry will get this value. So let us take the 1000 plates digit, that is 4. Now let us multiply 4 by 2,81,561. So we will get this value. So finally, to get the final product we will have to add this. So let us add. So here it comes 6, 6 plus 3 will 9, and now 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 9 20. So 0 and 2 is the carry. So in similar manner if we do all the addition we will get this value. So this is our final product and this is the answer.